100 minus 75. This 0 is in ones column, this 0 is in tens column, this 1 is in hundreds column. This 5 is in ones column, this 7 is in tens column. Now subtract. 0 minus 5, that is you can't subtract from 0, so you need to borrow. Go to next column, but next column you have 0, so you can't borrow from 0, so you have to go to next column. If you borrow 100, then you will have 0, so 100 become 10 tens in tens column. Okay, if you borrow 110, then you will have 9 tens, and 110 equal to 10 ones. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2. So your answer is 25.